This is a video tour of room 304 at the Lodge at Spruce Peak. This is a Ridgeline One Bedroom Suite with a central view of Mount Mansfield. It is a lovely room. Have the key card that you just press to get inside. When you first come in, you do have a kitchen. This is a full kitchen, and I do mean a full kitchen, including a gas stove, which you very, very rarely see in any kind of rental. There is a teapot, you have your coffee machine, and in the first drawer right here, you have all of your coffee utensils that you might possibly need. And then this door right here is actually your fridge. So when you open this up, you do have space in here if you want to get groceries or if you want to put leftovers, drinks, whatever the case may be. You have that, and then directly below, you do have the freezer that includes an ice maker as well as two other drawers for you to enjoy. There are all sorts of things for cooking and baking that you might possibly enjoy. The oven again, as well as more items on this side. So you really can enjoy this as a family. You have a ton of utensils over here. And then again, you have plates and bowls. There is, of course, a microwave, as well as more glasses for your coffee cups, wine, regular drinks, and so forth over here. You do, again, have a dishwasher that includes the tabs for those directly under here, as well as your recycling is in here. And then you've got a sink for you to use, toaster for you to make breakfast. There are coasters over on this side along with your salt and pepper. And this is the first place that you're gonna start to see outlets, because there are outlets everywhere in here, and I really appreciate that. Directly on the other side of the door, you have the hallway closet that includes places to hang up all of your outdoor gear as needed. Again, more outlets because they are everywhere. You have a very, very small closet right here, but it is one place for you to hang items. It does not include hangers, which surprised me a little bit, but that's fine. And then you also have a washer and dryer in this room. They do not include your dryer sheets or your laundry detergent, but if you need them, you can easily pick them up. This is something that is a very, very nice thing to have, again, for a family when you are making your stay. You do also have a connecting door because this one bedroom suite does connect to two classic bedroom or guest rooms, one on this side and then one again all the way over on the other side. You can see this door right here. That is the connection to the other classic guest room. So if you want to make this into a 3-bedroom suite, you can do so if you have a larger family that wants to stay. Again, down here you can see there's more outlets. There is a dining room table that seats 6, which is lovely. You do have beautiful chandeliers and light fixtures all over within this room. There is a couch right here, as well as a small ottoman, coffee table, and a chair right here. And then you do have the fireplace. To operate the fireplace, it is very simple. You're just gonna go ahead and press that on button right there, turns green, and then you can see that it is going to turn into your fire right here. So it's a lovely thing to enjoy and just relax a little bit. Of course, we are in a hotel, so you do have your requisite television right here. There are just storage shelves directly underneath there, so there's plenty of space for you to store whatever you might need for your stay. And then you do have 3 bar stools in addition to the 6-person dining room table that as well. You do again have garbage cans right here, just in case you need them. There is a temperature control both here and in the actual bedroom, and they are separate controls so that you can adjust that as needed to whatever temperature you like. I did not set it to 67, it's a little cool for me. That's totally fine though, and easy to adjust. You do have phones. These are cordless phones, so if you need to make any reservations, any calls and so forth, you are able to do that quite easily. There's one here, and then again in the bedroom. And then you have the balcony, which is gorgeous. Again, this is looking out over Mount Mansfield. It's a lovely view. This is directly over the entrance to the hotel. This one has a slider on this part. Because this is a connecting room, you are going to have your balcony connect with the 2 guest rooms that are on either side. So if you've not booked those, it's possible that you might have neighbors who are out here enjoying it just the same as what you are. But you have a seating area here. This second seating area is where your bedroom is, and then there is another seating area on the far side where the other classic bedroom is, guest room is. So if you have someone staying over there, you might again has some neighbors, but that's fine. It is an absolutely lovely view. It's a little bit cloudy today, but you can kind of see outside exactly where we are. Like I said, we are directly over the entrance, but it is a great view. Let's go back inside and check out the bedroom. As we walk back inside, I do want to note that there is a lock here, and then there is also a second security lock right here, so that you are able to really feel secure about this, because you do share that with the other balcony on the other side. The other thing I want to tell you too is that this couch is a sleeper sofa. So again, you have a queen size sleeper sofa right here, but we're going to walk back over this way, and then this door leads into the bedroom, and then also the only bathroom that is part of this 1-bedroom suite. So first of all, I do appreciate that this is a solid door so that you do have your privacy and can close this. And in addition to closing, it does have a lock if you have small children that you'd like to keep out of your hair for a little while. There is also another closet over here, and this is where you're going to have your robes that you are welcome to use during your stay, but leave them behind or they will charge you. There is also an ironing board, as well as an iron and a handheld steamer. You have your luggage rack in here as well, so you can get everything unpacked. And this is where you're going to have hangers. There's some hangers, there's not a ton of hangers. So depending on how long you're staying, you may want to ask for some additional ones. And then there is an additional pillow right up on top of the closet here. And then as you come down, you of course have the safe. This is a pretty decent sized safe. This is going to fit my laptop. I'd say this probably would fit a 15-inch laptop, but it'll fit your iPad, your wallet, jewelry, passports, anything that you might need in this piece. And then the usual safe, to use it is pretty easy. You're going to close it. You're going to press reset, put in your 4-digit code, so like 1599, and press lock. And then when you want to open it again, you just press 1599 and it will open. And you can continue to use that code for your stay. You don't have to change it if you don't want to. But when you leave and someone else comes in, then that's why you're going to press the reset, because that gives you the brand new code. There is also a small shelf down here, which is great for storing shoes as well. For the actual bedroom, you do also have a full-length mirror so that you can enjoy that. Again, I love the lamps and the lighting that's in here. I think they're absolutely beautiful. You do have the telephone again. This one is corded, unlike the other one that was cordless. And then you're going to have more outlets here, again, with the USB and the USB-C. You've got your television remote control, because of course you've got a television in the bedroom as well. Garbage cans underneath here. You've got more outlets on this side, as well as when we swing around, there are additional outlets here. There is also a bench that is a great place to put your luggage as you're unpacking, to rest, whatever the case may be, store items here. And then of course the television that's directly above there. And then you move over and you've got a bureau over here that has 4 drawers for you to use to store items. So you've got what you need over on this side. And then, like I said, you do have your temperature control. This one, like I said, 68, the other one was 67. So you do have the ability to control your bedroom separately from the other room, which is kind of nice to have. You do also, in this bedroom, have a chair with, again, an ottoman for you to enjoy. There is a desk if you need to get some work done. Just spread that right over your chair as you're going. You've got lamps behind there. You've got drawer space here. And then again, on this nightstand, you again have more outlets, including the USB and the USB-C. And then you also have a Bluetooth old-fashioned alarm clock that really fits the decor of the room. I think it's beautiful and adorable. This room does have a king-size bed. The classic bedroom that at least is on one side where I was able to see has 2 queens instead. So you've got, again, some really nice space in here. And then this is going out on the deck that we just saw when we were in the room earlier. This one, however, has a door. So you're again just gonna make sure it's open. And then this comes and opens this way, and you can go outside and see that gorgeous view once again. And then once you're finished, close it, make sure that you're locking it, because this actually was not locked when I arrived. That's okay, because we locked it now. I always check when I'm ever in a hotel room. And then of course, for both rooms, you do have the blackout shades or blackout curtains so that you can have plenty of dark if you need to sleep in the dark like I do. And this just gives you a little bit of a better view of the bedroom. We're gonna head into the bathroom, which is quite lovely, including having the great spa accoutrement for the shampoo, conditioner, and so forth. So when you first walk in, you are going to have your mirror. It's a nice, decent sized mirror with lighting on both sides, as well as your magnifying mirror, because of course, who doesn't want to see their flaws when they're on vacation? You do again have your vanity with a shower cap, a vanity kit, facial cleansing bar. That's your soap for your hands if you'd like, or your face. And then there are two cloths to clean your face as well here. This is one sink rather than a double sink. And you do also have a box of Kleenex, as well as lotion and a moisture wash here that you can use for earth and sun. Again, with all of the strategy and the theory of having lots of outlets, there are again 2 outlets in here that you can utilize. And then underneath, you do have all of your towels as well as extras. And then, surprise, surprise, you have a scale under here, but no one wants to step on a scale on vacation. We can just pretend like that does not exist. This is actually drawer space for you to enjoy. And this is where you're gonna have your hair dryer. This is the hair dryer that is offered. It's a Conair 1875. It does have one additional outlet or piece that attaches to it so you can straighten your hair a little bit. It's not the worst hair dryer in the world, but it's not the most powerful, but at least you know what to expect and whether you need to bring your own hair dryer or not, because I know that is a big consideration for me when I stay somewhere. There's a toilet right that's in here, and then you have your walk-in shower. This door will open either way, going forward or backward. It's up to you, whichever you prefer. And then you do have the control, just turn from one side to the other. There is the shower head here. There's not a rain shower in this room, which surprised me a little bit, but that's okay. We do also have the Mandarin Spa, the Zents. I don't know why I said Mandarin. Mandarin is the scent. For your shampoo, your conditioner, and your moisture wash. I have not used them yet, so I cannot tell you exactly how they are, but I'm willing to try these ones. But if you need to bring your own, know what you have. And then this is just the size of the shower. It's a decent sized shower for you to walk in, but not huge to the point where it's a little bit overwhelming. And like I said, this opens in either direction, so use whatever is most convenient for you. And directly behind the door, there are more bath towels as well. So this is the Ridgeline One Bedroom at the Lodge at Spruce Peak. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Otherwise, enjoy your stay.